Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at the official ASCP ROM for the Nothing Phone 1, which is based on Android 16 QPR2. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. So guys, this is the official ASCP version 5.5, and this ROM is a total pixel experience ROM, and we get some additional features. So we're just going to start with the lock screen. So as you can see, that clock and all that looks fine, and these wallpapers are from Pixel 11. So if you check out the wallpapers section, you have a lot of collection for the wallpapers here. As you can see, feathers, your basic Google stuff, your CMF, nothing wallpapers, Pixel 9, 8 series. We have super fan wallpapers. We have nothing OS, Pixel 11, ASCP wallpapers. As you can see, some nice wallpapers has a lot of colors, and these are the Pixel 11 wallpapers, which I'm really loving, all of them. And you have all your Google basic wallpapers as well. So yes, in terms of wallpapers and all the designs, it is a fulfilled app which has a lot of stuff that you can change every day and buy stock. And as you can see, your app drawer, this is the app drawer, so this is the app dock. Looks really clean, really Googlish, pixelish, and yeah, as you can see, this has GApps prebuilt, so you don't have to flash any additional GApps. And then you have two weather apps, not sure why. So if you click on one, this will open the Pixel weather, and when we open the second app, it says no weather data. I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, this is a small and minor issue. So yeah, if you are from the ASCP team, you can remove this second APK from the system. But yes, these are the apps you have. By default, nothing camera, and you also have Dolby Atmos, which we'll check out later. But first, let's move into settings, and as you can see, we get the pure Android 16 settings UI, and as you can see, you can run through the whole settings UI, and you don't notice a separate customization tab, but all the customizations which are in there are built inside the system, inside the default options. So yeah, it's worth gonna check. All of that is hidden inside, which we will obviously check out. Then this is the Android version. As you can see, we have Android 16. We have June 2026 security patch, and obviously we are going to get updates. So yeah, you will get all the new updates, new patches, new stuff right into the system through OTA, and you have this maintainer. So thanks to the maintainer, ASCP version 5.5, and we have right now we have June 2026 security patch. So guys, obviously as all other ROMs, this is also based on the Android 16 QPR2. So as you can see, we get this new UI, and we have these rounded icons. As you can see, these are the default icons. You can also customize and change them later. So this is a nice part of Android 16 QPR2. You have some nice UI and stuff. We also do have the new battery icon, which you can take a look at. Now, because of the wallpaper, this might be a bit dumb move by me, but yeah, this is the new battery icon you get. And in terms of customizations, you won't find a separate customization tab, as I've already told you guys. So let's take a look at all the settings and customization stuff, which obviously will be covered in a single part. This part, there won't be another customization part video. But as you can see, this is the Google account, whatever Google account you have signed in into network and internet. You have your basic options, which other people have. You have network traffic monitor, which you can enable right through here. So if you want for upload and download, as you can see, it is currently visible, and you can also hide if there is no activity, which right now there is no activity. And we have disable flash SMS, which you can if you have enabled it. And connected devices, it does not have any other stuff. So yeah, let's just skip that. We have Cliff interface, and if you have noticed, it just worked. So yeah, Cliff interface also works fine. You have torch, Cliff torch. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and you can also control the brightness. So yeah, this looks nice now, as I have controlled the brightness and dimmed it to minimum, and looks right and nice. And you can just turn it on anytime. Till this brightness it looks good, and holding the phone, otherwise it might hurt someone's eyes. So yeah, keep it to up to 1 to 3 levels. We have animation cooldown. We have a cooldown exception, so you can set those animations notifications which will let's just like the notification cooldown. So yeah, you can just configure that. We have stop glyph to ring call. We have Google Assistant, music visualization, essential notifications, import ringtone, shake to glyph, live volume dashboard, glyph progress. We have a lot more strategies. You can also set a schedule, different schedule for glyphs. Then we have respect, do not disturb, progress bar, priority, export settings. You can import export settings. This is the glyph interface, and this is, I guess, the D glyphs, something like that, which has been implemented. And this is the best implementation of nothing glyph on any custom ROM. So I would suggest really to try out this custom ROM if you like a cleaner setting UI where all settings are hidden, and also get all these amazing features right in here. Into apps, we have all here. You have cloned apps, and as you can see, app lock and sandbox. Yeah, so we do have app locking option, and yeah, we have sidebar which you can configure and customize. This is how it looks. No blur is there, but yeah, still a very good option. Then notifications, as you can see, we have a lot of stuff. Heads up, we also have less boring heads up. We have essential notifications, just normal stuff. Then we have dynamic bar, which is a new addition to custom ROMs, and it is nice, although sometimes it might give you some bored feeling because of a lot of notifications and all that. But yeah, you can also configure and disable them, so you can only keep what you want. Right now I'm disabling this. We have status bar action chip, which is also the ongoing progress bar thing, which you can enable. So if you have anything, it will show it on the status bar, and it will show the progress of what is complete out of 100%. So you can also configure that. We have cut out progress ring, which I don't like at all. Have used theme icons, colored icons, notification count, which you can enable. And yes, these are all the default, all the setting stuff, notification setting stuff. Into sound and vibration, we have power off alarm, which is a really nice option. So if you have a habit of powering off your device, then when the alarm is scheduled, the device will automatically turn on when the alarm is being closed or at the time of the alarm. So it's a really good option if you want to save battery, or if you don't want to charge at night, and if you want to save battery, if your phone is like about 40 or 50%, and if you want to go out to work or some other place, then you can just turn this off, the device off, and obviously the option should be on, and then the device should be off. Then we have vibration stuff, we have some sound pattern stuff, audio, we have smart pause, per app volume control, we have volume panel notification, volume panel location. We have multi-focus audio, which can also help you to get audio from multiple apps. Multi-audio focus, that's the same. Then we have now playing, but there's no option to enable it, so I'm not sure if it does work. Yes, we have media, and we have some other options as well. We have Dolby Atmos. Right here, we will just click it in here. As you can see, it opens the app, and it says notification access. Let's just give it the notification access. Now it looks clean. So this is the default option. This is a Dolby Atmos, and as you can see, we have some profiles in here. Then we have your intelligent equalizer. Then we have your presets, schedule profiles. We have bar app audio profiles. Now let's move into the equalizer option, and we have your preset, band configuration. We have equalizer, view curve, sliders, and we have this frequency response. Then moving into settings, we have this pass booster, mid enhancer, treble enhancer, output boost, volume max boost, surround, virtual bass, hearing protection, volume lift, and we have volume leveler, virtual, surround virtualizer. We have dialogue enhancer. These are all the options, and I guess this is the best Dolby Atmos UI for me, and really a nice one to be useful in this the custom ROM. And whatever custom ROMs use this is one of the best choices for audio and other stuff as well. Now the next option is modes, and in here we have DND and other modes which you can configure. Inside display, we have your brightness stuff. As you can see, your brightness slider, and you can adjust the position, top or bottom, your shape. You can also configure the shape to circle or rounded. Let's just set it to circle, and see, as you can see, the brightness Slider is now in a circular shape around the edges and all, as you can see. So yeah, you can also choose that enhance HDR brightness, quick setting style shape, which you can configure. I like the rounded square. Waveform media seekbar, single tone quick settings. Then we have lock screen, your basic always on display and stuff, as you can see. AOD peak, so it will obviously show ambient display briefly when the screen turns off, which you can also configure. Not sure what option that is, but yeah, you can check that out. Yeah, shake to show AOD when shaking the device. So yeah, it will just show AOD while shaking, but right now it's turned on, so I'm not sure if I have to turn it on. So yeah, as you can see, it is turned on right now. So maybe I have to turn off the always on display, but it just does show AOD as that. Right now let's check. Okay, so this is the effect, so you can shake and you can turn on AOD. Right now, it's turned off. Let's check the device, and the sensitivity is kind of really high, medium. Yeah, let's set it to high. Okay, maybe not high, low. No, I guess it doesn't work like that. So yeah, I'm just going to keep it off. Yeah, so the AOD is off, but I don't know what the problem is, but the sensitivity is not that good. So I just advise you guys to avoid it right now. They have some customization, bottom level lock screen wallpaper and icons, which I don't likely opt for, but yeah, we have face down detection, we have your dark theme, and obviously enhanced dark theme, expanded and pure black is also there, and pure black your device will look like this. So I'm not sure through the camera if it is properly visible, but right now we are using the AMOLED display in its full control. So yeah, you have full screen apps, as you can see a lot of apps support that. Icon manager, status bar padding, which you can configure the start, top and end padding. We have smallest width, you can configure the DPI. Then we have live display from Lineage, and obviously a lot of ROMs use Lineage as their base because it is the most stable one. And GPU for screen composition, you can select those apps. We have screen refresh rate, we have window level blurs, but I recommend myself to keep it off, but you guys can also enable that after your device gets cooled after the setup and all that. Just don't turn it off right away when the device boots. You have storage, you have battery, and this is right now not my daily driver, but I'm getting 3 to 4 hours by keeping it just for a week, and it gets a great deep sleep. So that's the position right now for this one. And your battery icons, your charging control, this is it. We have system, this is the system options. Navigation mode, you can configure a lot of stuff here. Show IME button and advanced gesture options, swipe actions. We have navigation hint as well, which you can disable, and click to search, basic stuff, your gestures, all your gestures, your quick tap. We have double tap power button, then we have one-handed mode, tap to check, quick touch, always on fingerprint, swipe to screenshot, and this is a 3-finger screenshot, so it works fine, which is a really required feature of a lot of users. We have date and time. Some spoofing stuff, which you can also configure, and a lot of stuff is here. Ignore window secure flags, no storage, this app spoofing, your PIF and keybox options. Then we have wallpapers and fonts, and this is the new new UI, which is not implemented by default, but this UI looks really nice. As you can see, your fonts, you can configure your fonts. I've said this one, but yeah, there are a lot, and the list is endless. You can also add custom. Then we have glyph, we have this explore wallpapers, which are obviously your default ones. So this is all for the stock features, the customization of the official ASCP ROM. Now let's take a look at the Nothing camera, and as you can see, the Nothing camera works really flawless. Your photos, your videos, you can also shoot 180p 60 fps and it does a well job. We have slow motion, also the zoom and all. The only thing doesn't work is the portrait. So if you click on portrait, the camera app will shut down. So portrait isn't working, but otherwise everything works fine. We have other modes as well, panorama, and that works fine. Yes, macro and all that. And then we have here your selfie camera, same options. Portrait doesn't work here too, maybe. Let's see. Okay, so it has trouble saving the photo, maybe. Not sure, let's see. Wait for a few seconds, turn on the, as you can see, so the portrait is having some issues. Let's click on normal picture. Yeah, let's click the picture of the camera. As you can see, it is properly visible. There is no issues regarding this photo, but yes, the portrait is having some issues. So let's skip it for now. And for gamers, we also have the game space. As you can see, a lot of options. Maybe this is from Motorola, I'm not sure. And we also have game bar, and you can see a lot of options, game bar overlay. So yeah, you have some stuff for gamers as well. So this is a really nice thing, and you can configure. I don't play games on my phone, but yes, if you do, then you can easily configure. So guys, overall it's a great ROM, and I will totally recommend you guys to try it out. Now the main thing is the theming, monet settings, and the custom icons theme is missing, but it's not like every ROM must have this. This ROM is keeping the total pixel Android 16 QPR2 UI and giving you some amazing features that are built inside the settings. So there's no need to have a separate customization tab. It is built within, and it looks like a cleaner system, but with all the options, features built inside the settings, which makes it more minimal and clean. So I'd recommend you guys to try it out. We have Nothing camera, we have Dolby Atmos, you have your KernelSU, your game bar, so a lot of stuff for gamers. And this is maybe one of the ROMs which has a lot of wallpapers pre-bundled within. So I'd recommend you guys to try it out. Battery life is also good. Whatever I have gotten on Lineage and other good custom ROMs I can get on this one. Obviously, I'm not a regular user of the Nothing Phone 1 right now, but I use it for social media, a bit of listening to songs sometimes. So yep, that was it, and I hope you guys have liked this review, and if you did, then you have to press the like button, and if not, there is also a dislike button, and there's also a subscribe button so that you can watch other videos, my upcoming videos, and also keep a subscription of my channel so that you can get some amazing notifications for new videos. And you can also check out older videos as well. I have made a playlist, and I keep adding all the Nothing Phone videos or any other device videos to its respective playlist, so you can check that out as well. So that's it. Bye bye guys. See you soon with another video of the Nothing Phone 1, and take care guys. Bye. See you soon.